is a spread spectrum modulation technique derived from chirp spread spectrum technology. It is utilized by public, private or hybrid networks and provides greater range than cellular networks. Mainly, LoRa is primarily used for point-to-point communication or in a star topology, where all nodes communicate directly with a central node. In contrast, LoRaWAN is a protocol located in the Media Access Control MAC layer that promotes LR signals to wider applications. It uses a star or mesh topology and allows for wide area network communication over a long range. Currently, LoRaWAN is very popular, used especially in IoT projects. Makerfabs also have many LoRaWAN products, but always we think of a question. Is that necessary? All projects run on LoRaWAN, which is not so easy for non-tech users. In LoRaWAN architecture, LoRaWAN node needs a strong controller to run the LoRaWAN protocol. A LoRaWAN gateway is also needed, and more important, cloud service setting needed, which is not easy for a farmer. Actually, what he indeed needs is a remote monitoring system that can remotely monitor the farm greenhouse status in-house, with easy implement. That is why Makerfabs SenseLoRa. In SenseLoRa system, there are LoRa nodes and LoRa receiver. The nodes are composed of kind sensors, for field monitoring. It broadcasts the sensor data every 1 hour, which can be set easily by phone. The receiver receives the data and forward to PC, then the sensor data can be monitored record remotely. Makerfabs SenseLoRa soil monitor composed of ESP32 controller soil sensor and solar panel. It detects the soil humidity temperature and pH level. It is waterproof. With the solar panel, it can work years. Makerfabs SenseLoRa air monitor is for greenhouse usage. It detects air temperature, humidity, CO2 concentration and light intensity, so you can remote monitor the greenhouse status all the time. The SenseLoRa nodes can be implemented in file easily. Insert the soil sensor as deep as possible into the soil, and install the solar panel towards sky for lights, then power it on to make it work immediately. Implement the air monitor in greenhouse anywhere, and power it on to start. Both nodes are waterproof for any harsh environment. The SenseLoRa receiver is composed main controller board and a long LoRa antenna that can be implemented outdoors for longer communication distance, up to 4 to 5 kilometers. Connected to PC USB port, it forward the LoRa data to PC for monitoring, recording, or analyzing. Makerfabs also prepared Python software, with which the data can be installed as Excel files, for recording and analyzing. Makerfabs SenseLoRa is targeted to simple agricultural remote monitoring that can be used indeed by farmers, without the trouble of LoRa gateway, cloud service, complex setting. We wish your feedback, your suggestions. Also, if you are interested on any cooperation, free to contact service at makerfabs.com.